Hello guys, it's me Rama and I'm gonna show you how to get an airplane in gangstar Vegas. Okay, so let's get started. So it's starting. Just have to wait a little bit. And in gangstar Vegas, you don't always have to buy an airplane. You can just go in the airport and get it anytime you want it. So that's what I do. It's not like I always buy an airplane, because I don't always buy everything. I just like to earn it. I don't buy everything. So let's find a car. Let's see. I think this one is perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in that one, and let's get moving. Yeah. So if you wanna get to the airport, you're gonna go somewhere like over there. Where you see that thing over there? So if you go over there and you get in, you can see the airplanes and like on the sides there's like some helicopters or something. And that's where I always go when the police is chasing me. Okay, so oh sorry, I'm gonna get cancelled. And wait a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Excuse me, passing through. So we're gonna turn right here, and then we're gonna slow down over here, and then we're gonna turn this way. Excuse me. Yeah. Move, I'm going really fast. And I hate that thing. That was so. So you're gonna turn over here and then go straight. Excuse me, people. Okay, then you're gonna see like a building like that. So you're gonna just go straight, and then you can see like the tractor over there and the pipes or something. And you gotta be near the water, so you're gonna go over here. And there's the airplanes, guys. And I think there's some more, yeah, over there. That's the one that goes in the water. And let me show you my favorite one is that one. That one goes in the water and is the one I like. Looks so cool. Looks real good. Let me just get inside. Okay, let's drive it. Can it really land in the water? Because I never drive this one before. I always drive the airplanes, because I always like airplanes. So let's see if it can land on water. I wish it can go in the water instead of on the water. Maybe if it can do both. Let's see. Oh shit, there's the police. Okay, then we're gonna lower down the speed. Oh, so it can land on water. I didn't know that. So let's just go ahead and fly. Yeah, this is fun. So, what's up, guys? I'm flying. Can we? I wish we can go like out of space. What? No, that's so crazy. Oh boy. That is so crazy. Oh my god. Anyway, go ahead and hit that like button and I'll see you later. Bye guys.